matagal mo nang hanap yung perfect tools para sa Amazon business mo, ito na yon. Helium 10's Black Friday deal gives you 40% off for 12 months. Sobrang sulit, diba? Pero hanggang December 1 lang to, kaya wag ka na magpatumpik-tumpik. Grab mo na agad. Kahit experience ka na sa Amazon seller o kakasimula mo pa lang, itong deal na to gives you access sa premium tools na makakatulong i-level up ang business mo. So tara, let's explore kung ano ang ina-offer ng Helium 10 at kung paano makakuha ng limited time discount na to. Ano nga bang Helium 10? Ang Helium 10 ay isang all-in-one software suite na ginawa para sa Amazon sellers. Gamit ang powerful tools na ito, pwede mong i-manage ang buong e-commerce business mo mula sa product research at keyword optimization hanggang sa inventory management at analytics. Pinagkakatiwalaan ng thousands of sellers worldwide, ang Helium 10 ay nagpapadali sa mga challenges ng pagbebenta sa Amazon, giving you the insights and tools you need to make data-driven decision and grow your business efficiently. Lahat ng kailangan mo para maging successful sa Amazon business ay nandito na sa Helium 10. Here's a breakdown of the most useful tools. Find winning products. Use tools like Black Box and Trendsetter to discover profitable products that people are searching for and buying. Get found with the right keywords. Tools like Cerebro and Magnet help you find the best keywords to make your product show up higher in Amazon searches. Optimize your listings. Gamit ng tools tulad ng Scribbles at Index Tracker, makakagawa ka ng solid na product descriptions na maganda ang ranking at madali makita ng mga customers ang listings mo. Spy on competitors. Market Tracker lets you see what your competitors are doing, kung gaano sila kagaling magbenta, and what's trending in your market. Run better ads. Simplify your advertising with Adtomic, a tool that helps you create and improve your Amazon campaigns para sa better results. Manage your inventory. Stay on top of your stock levels with tools like Inventory Protector and Profits. You'll never run out of products or overspend. Track sales and earnings. Get a clear view of your sales, profits, and expenses with tools like Profits, kaya you always know how your business is performing. Protect your business. Gamit ang tools tulad ng Refund Genie at Alerts, matutulungan ka makuha ang mga refund na na-miss at stay updated about sa mga pagbabago sa product listings mo. Sell internationally. Helium 10 works for sellers in different countries, making it easy to expand your business to new markets. Para makakuha ng best price, gamitin ang exclusive link sa description for 40% off for the first 12 months. Ulitin ko lang this will not last long and is only available until December 1st. Kaya siguraduhin i-click mo yung link sa description para makapag-create ka ng account. Kailangan mo lang i-type ang name mo, email address, password, at ilagay ang credit card info. And then click yung link sa description, automatic na mag-a-apply yung coupon code. Let's go ahead and take a look at other pricing plans. Una, meron tayong starter plan na nagsisimula sa $39 per month. Ang plan na ito ay nag-aalok ng training at tools na kailangan mo para makapagsimula. The tools within product research are more limited and it includes a basic keyword search. There's no advertising, insights, or dashboards, and the market tracker is limited to one market. Yung Walmart integration ay limited din. With the starter pack, limited man ang features but it provides essentials to get started. Sunod ang Platinum plan na $65 per month. Ngayon, sa Black Friday promotion nila, makakakuha ka ng 40% off sa Platinum plan. Make sure na gamitin mo ang exclusive link sa description. Sa Platinum plan, you have access sa Blockbox, X-ray, at Review Insights. May limited access ka rin sa X-ray para sa Walmart. Sa Product Launchpad, makakakuha ka ng 2,000 ideas. Moving on to keyword search, you have access to everything pero walang advertising tools. You get 20 products available in the Insights dashboard and limited analytics. Next is the Diamond plan, which you can get for $182 per month with Black Friday pricing. This plan is perfect for expert sellers looking to scale. With the Diamond plan, you get everything in product research, keyword research, and advertising. Makakuha ka din ng spend limit starting at $5,000 per month. You'll have access sa lahat ng features sa Insights dashboard, lahat ng analytics, listings, optimizations, operation add-ons, at marami pang ibang perks. Para makuha ang best price, siguraduhin gamitin mo ang exclusive link sa description. You're definitely gonna want to go with a Platinum plan kung saan makakuha ka ng 40% off for the whole year. But again, this offer will expire soon so you don't want to wait. These are affiliate links which means we earn a small commission and no extra cost to you. Kung gagamitin mo yung mga link namin, thank you in advance. I hope this video was helpful and helped you understand what Helium 10 is, how to get the best price possible, and how to access Black Friday deal. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to drop them below. Don't forget to like and subscribe in the channel and hit that notification bell. Maraming salamat sa panonood at kita-kits sa susunod na video.